If you're a small business owner, you could be losing tens of thousands of dollars if you don't understand these 7 things. Number 1, if you're a U.S. business with 5 to 500 W-2 employees and have been in business for more than 2 years, you could qualify for the Federal Employee Retention Tax Credit. ERC is a refundable tax credit, and you can get back up to $26,000 per W-2 employee. The average is around $10K. Assuming that your average is only $5K and you have 5 employees, then that's $25,000. That beats a poke in the eye with a sharp stick any day. Number 2, you can now qualify for ERC even if you got a PPP loan. This is a change that was made in 2021 and many companies aren't aware of it. Number 3, it is a serious mistake to just assume that you don't qualify or that your CPA or accountant will automatically make this determination for you. Number 4, the rules for determining if a business qualifies, and if so, for how much, are very complicated. The instructions for completing and filing Form 941X are 31 pages of mind-numbing federal speak. Number 5, you can find out if your business qualifies with a free 15-minute phone call. There are some excellent companies out there with highly knowledgeable ERC specialists who understand all the ins and outs of the filing process. Number 6, there are also some boiler shop scammers and some not especially competent Me Too companies that have jumped on the ERC bandwagon. If a company wants you to pay up front to determine if you qualify, run, don't walk away from them. I conducted a lot of research on the best companies that help small businesses determine if they qualify for ERC, and if they do, handle all the paperwork and filing for them. I'm a business coach, and one of my clients asked me to help him research the whole subject of ERC. So after a lot of due diligence, we landed on a company that since the start of ERC has filed over 13,000 claims on behalf of small businesses for grants totaling over $2.1 billion. They've been in business since 2009, providing financial services and consulting to Fortune 500 companies and small businesses. They were one of the first companies to develop a specialty in ERC, and I think still one of the best. So if you would like some free, additional, no obligation information about the ERC program, then hit the link below.